In this video, we will show you how to replace your fuel tank pressure sensor on the Chevy Silverado. This will be located along the top of your fuel tank. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we have to do is make our way under the hood to the negative battery terminal. Use your 8mm. To loosen this up, we're going to dislodge it so it's making no contact. Once we have that disconnected, go ahead and make your way out towards the rear of the vehicle close to where your fuel filler neck is. Now, to easily gain access to our fuel tank pressure sensor, you do not need to fully remove the fuel tank, but we are going to make our way under the vehicle up along the top of the driver's side frame. If you were to follow this area in and over above the top of the fuel tank, you're going to be able to find your fuel tank sending unit. On that is where the pressure sensor is located. Now for this electrical connector, it has a small locking tab. Just go ahead and carefully pull up on that and start pulling this out and away. Once it's disconnected, a quick inspection for corrosion on that wiring harness. This is very important. Before you start removing that pressure sensor, it's a good idea to use some compressed air or something the like up along the top of the fuel tank to remove any miscellaneous debris. Just be extremely careful nothing goes into your face. Now after cleaning the area, go ahead and take hold of that fuel tank pressure sensor. We're going to give it a wiggle and pull it straight up and out of place. It does have a small rubber grommet as a seal. We want to make sure that that gets removed as well. If you need to, you can use a small prying device for this. Sometimes that will help get it up and out of position. You want to be extremely careful not to break it off in the fuel tank sending unit. This part can be a little bit difficult getting your tool on there where it's semi-difficult to see. You can use a mirror if necessary. There we are. And there it is, friend. Now that we have that out of there, let's just clean and inspect the mounting point here. Just gonna try to give that a quick wipe. Make sure there's no rot or damage, miscellaneous debris. All this looks okay. Now we can prepare to install our brand new fuel tank pressure sensor. When we install this, you want to make sure you have it in the proper orientation so you can reattach your wiring harness electrical connector. It's going to slide right into its port here. This can be easiest if you add a tiny bit of silicone paste or even some petroleum jelly on the seal. Just going to give it a little twist and slide it down into position. Now that I feel as though I have that pressed in, I'm just going to give it a little wiggle. It should not lift up and out of place. Continue on with your electrical connector. Line it up, press it in, listen for a click from that. Audible click, a light tug, double checking to make sure everything's properly secured up here before we make our way out from under the vehicle. After confirming everything's secure under the vehicle, we're going to make our way back into the engine compartment to reconnect our negative battery terminal. Go ahead and get that in place. We'll start the mounting hardware in by hand and snug it up with our 8mm wrench. Let's just double check, make sure that's properly secured in place. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you have to do is hop in the passenger compartment. Start up the vehicle, let it run for a short while, and make sure you have no running condition, no check engine light, and you smell no fuel vapors. Close the hood, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.